it tick like you a clock. Once upon a time you arched up and broke your back. Once upon a time you used to love what you were act. Then me tell you say me love you but me want it back. Yeah, the way you put it on me. Yeah, the way me breast upon you. But yeah, the way it hard for love you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chev. If you are new, welcome. For today's video, I will be doing another braidless crochet hairstyle for you guys. So my hair is washed and stretched. I had it in braids underneath my wig. And so let's begin the hairstyle. So to create this hairstyle, I'm going to first section my hair in two. One section in the front and one section in the back. I will be doing flat twists going back in the front and then a curly afro in the back using the crochet hair.
Pretty face alone no work. Y'all we don't get the earth. Roll up with a spliff, the marijuana rise up from the earth. Man no care about what you have up underneath your pretty skirt. Always have a bag of gal, so me no really have a flirt. If you want for be my gal.
To begin my flat twist, I will be using my Bella certified pomade, and this is an edge control, so this will keep the flyaways in place. So my flat twists are not like braids, they don't sit tightly unless you use an elastic band. So the pomade will keep the hair in place and tight and neat.
She move this way. It's just the way that she move this way. True crime, girl, the way that you move, turn me on. Two time, girl, the way that you move, turn me on.
So my flat twists are going to be a 2-strand twist. Only thing, it's laying flat as opposed to just being a basic 2-strand twist. And I am doing this as opposed to doing braids because, as you guys know, I am not great. I just learned how to braid a little bit. So, and my finger got cut. I cut my finger during the week, so that leaves my thumb and my index finger out of the equation. So I couldn't even attempt to braid. I had to just do the flat twist.
Once upon a time you arched up and broke your back. Once upon a time you used to love what you were act. Then me tell you say me love you but me want it back. Yeah, the way you put it on me. Yeah, the way me breast upon you. But yeah, the way it hard for love you. Yeah, the way me say me love you. Say me love you. Say me love you. Say me love you. Say me love you.
So to prepare for my crochet now, I'm gonna section my hair further again into two, one at the top, one at the back. You can skip this part and just go straight to braiding if you know how to braid. You can do like one French braid in the back, or flat twist, or whatever version you can like alternate and put in your own twist to it. But for the purpose of this video, for those of us who cannot braid, I am putting my hair in 2 buns, one at the top, one at the back, as opposed to 2 pigtails at the side, because it's going to leave a split in the middle and your puff or your afro is not going to look like one. So this is the version that I'm doing. As opposed to 1 big bun, I am putting 2 buns. Now, I'm not going to assume that everyone here knows how to crochet or has seen my other braidless crochet videos. So, first I push my crochet needle through my hair. I open the latch hook, attach the crochet hair to the latch, close the hook, pull through my hair, and then make a loop and pull the hair through once. And I don't do it too tightly because my hair is coarse and the hair does stay in place for me as long as my bun is secure. If you have silkier hair than mine, you can double your loop, but for me, I just do it once. For my method and an easy takedown, I crochet around my bun. I do not crochet on my bun because that is where the point that I take out my crochet. So how I take it out is I release the bun, pull out the plait if I did a plait, and just slide the crochet hair off of my hair, and that is it. When I'm at the top now, I do smaller sections. So for some of the hair, I do split it so that it doesn't look too bulky. So for the very tip, I part the hair, or I separate the crochet hair into smaller pieces and crochet it. For this hairstyle, I use 3 packs of crochet hair, and I got this hair from an Aliexpress vendor, Leeven hair. I will put the information in my description box down below. You can find this hair in your local beauty supply store, but this color that I'm using is extremely hard to find. I couldn't find it in any of my beauty supply stores, so I had to get more from Aliexpress. Now that I finished my crochet, I am going to fluff the hair out. And while doing so, afterwards, I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner that you have. And this is just to tame the hair a little bit, add a little moisture to it so it doesn't look super dry. And it just gives it a finished look. Afterwards, I'm just gonna lay my edges, create a little bit of baby hair. You can skip that part if you are not a fan of laying your edges.
Once upon a time you make it tick like you a clock. Once upon a time you arched up and broke your back. Once upon a time you used to love why you were act. Then me tell you say me love you but me want it back. Yeah, the way you put it on me. Yeah, the way me breast upon you. But yeah, the way it hard for love you. Yeah, the way me say me love you.
Now this is my finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, share, and comment down below on this video. I love you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @Chev. Every information that you need for this video will be down in my description box below. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.